Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up an Apple Watch Series 9 for a family member. First, ensure your family member's iPhone is running the latest iOS. Power on the Apple Watch and hold it close to the iPhone. A pairing screen will appear on the iPhone. Tap Continue. Then, choose Setup for a family member to begin the specialized setup process. This ensures the watch is configured correctly for independent use. For family setup, you'll need an Apple Watch Series 4 or newer with cellular capabilities. This allows the family member to make calls and use data without an iPhone nearby. The best part is, they don't need their own iPhone at all. You'll manage all their watch settings and permissions directly from your iPhone, including features like school time and location tracking for peace of mind. Now, let's personalize the watch. You can customize watch faces and complications to suit their preferences, making essential information easily accessible. Choose which apps are available on their watch, ensuring they only have what they need. Set communication limits for calls and messages, controlling who they can contact. Don't forget to configure emergency contacts and their medical ID for safety. Safety is paramount. Enable fall detection, which can automatically call emergency services if a hard fall is detected. Always set up a strong passcode on the watch for enhanced security. Teach your family member how to use emergency SOS, which can be activated by holding the side button. Finally, remember to regularly review their settings and app access to ensure it always meets their needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.